energetic ah. Ano ba pinainom mo ito?
Milo.
Hot choco?
Milo. Yeah, we're chasing. To the water? Are you okay? Are you happy? Can you walk? Gabriel is in a river here in Balar, and the water is so good. There's a dam there, and the kid just jumped. Actually, amazing. Let's go explore this one. Mama wants to hold your hand. There's a huge tree. And then there's a river there. Whoa. It's amazing. The water is so wonderful. It's so clean. And it flows really, really well. There's a strong current, yeah, should I say. The current is strong, but it is just knee deep, like this. Gabriel is here. Oh no! Yeah, we take a picture of the flower. There's a flower there on the other side. And there's one gomamela here. Yeah, Gabriel is taken by the current. So cute. Yeah, I think you have to you're supposed to wear some slippers here. Some kind of wet slippers. Or wet shoes. Yeah, I think that's how they call it. Wet shoes, not slippers. It's wonderful.
A big rock.
We're all gonna have fun here. Beautiful.
Yeah. 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 Look at this.
Look at that. Ayoko sa malalim.
Look at this.
Baba, we will be taken Baba by the water. You do that later with Dada. Because Dada can take care of you. They're swimming. Oh. I think later we're gonna go to the falls where I think this water is coming from. I heard it's gonna be like a 30-minute hike up to the up to the waterfall.
Yeah.
We're going there later. Oh, it's wonderful. So good. It's nice. Babing, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Gabriel is here. Gabriel is here. You're a what? You're a what? Do not do that because Mama is taking a video. Mama has a camera. Just look how clear the water is. That is what Gabriel loves to do. He will be picking up some rocks. The current is definitely strong. Bobbing, you cannot drink the water, love.
Okay.
The water might be dirty.
Huh?
You cannot drink the water because the water might be dirty.
I'm going to stop the water.
Okay, you're stopping the water.
I will stop the water.
Okay. You'll be taken, Baba. You're gonna be taken by the current.
Touching Mama.
That's great, Bob. I want you to be happy.
Huh?
I want you to be happy.
Oh, body part. Reset. Hello. Dito. Ay, mabutin. Tash, mabutin.